Ever had idli or upma in the morning thinking ये तो healthy है यार, and then bam, your glucose meter shoots up like a rocket? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Kirti Prakash, your diabetes reversal expert, where we help people in reversing their diabetes in the most simplest, fastest, and the most natural way possible without any kind of medicine, insulin, fancy diet, or any kind of tough military regime. People who do yoga, go for walks, drink Karela juice, फिर भी sugar control नहीं होती, you're not alone. Because the real issue is not your willpower that you're trying hard for. The problem lies in your breakfast plate. In this video, you'll discover some of the most common Indian breakfasts that secretly spike your blood sugar, even though they seem really healthy. The science behind why this happens, even when you're eating less. Better diabetic friendly breakfast options जो आपकी शुगर को कंट्रोल करते हैं और वेट लॉस में भी मदद करते हैं. What to eat when you're traveling or staying at hotels, practical tips, no fancy stuff. And few lesser known superfoods जो naturally आपकी blood sugar को stable रखते हैं without any kind of medicine. Number 1, the healthy breakfast trap. Let's talk about one of the most commonly recommended breakfasts in Indian homes. Some of us even know it as safe, light, and healthy. Yes, we're talking about idli. Soft, steamed, oil-free, masala-free, full South Indian vibes. People say idli is perfect for dieting. And you think, मैं तो सिर्फ 2 इडली खाता हूँ. No frying, no chutney. तो problem क्या ही हो सकती है? But if you're diabetic, this healthy looking breakfast can quietly mess up your blood sugar. But why does idli spike your blood sugar? Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine your fasting blood sugar is 110 in the morning. You eat just 2 idlis plain without chutney or sambar. And after 1 hour, you check your sugar again and you see it's 220. You didn't eat sweets, no juice, no biscuit, no chocolate, no desserts, no mithai. तो फिर spike क्यों हुआ है? Simple answer. Because idli is basically starch in disguise. And starch means a glucose bundle. Idli means hidden sugar bomb. Idli is made with white rice and urad dal. White rice has a high glycemic index. Matlab it breaks down super fast into glucose. Urad dal also contains a good amount of starch. So when you combine both, what you're eating is a glucose bomb disguised as a soft snack. Just 2 idlis looks like 28 grams of carbs. And carbs is equal to sugar. Now the key part is, idli has almost zero fiber. Now fiber slows down their digestion, but when fiber is missing, your body digests carbs much faster. And that means your sugar spikes much faster and sharp. And even without tasting any kind of sweet thing. So even though your tongue says plain, your blood sugar is screaming glucose overload. But idli is low calorie, right? Yes, absolutely. 2 idlis have just about 130 to 150 calories in total. But here's the truth. Diabetes isn't just about calories. It's about carbs and how those carbs behave when they go inside your body. So while idli is low in calories, it is high in fast absorbing carbs, which floods your bloodstream with sugar. You feel like you're eating light, but your body experiences it like you just had a spoonful of sugar as first thing in the morning. And then you wonder, मैंने तो कुछ unhealthy खाया ही नहीं, फिर भी sugar क्यों इतनी बढ़ गई? Now, the long-term impact of these spikes. If you're eating this kind of breakfast every day, even though it looks healthy, it can silently damage everything in the long term. Insulin resistance increases. Now, body stops responding well to insulin. Fat burning slows down. Your body stays in sugar burning mode, not fat burning mode. Liver, kidney, and heart take more pressure. Medication dependency increases. You may need higher doses over time. And the worst part, you may be trying to lose weight, but these daily sugar spikes actually block your fat loss. Because when your insulin is high, your body locks the fat and doesn't burn it. तो सुबह की एक इडली भी अगर गलत टाइमिंग और गलत शुगर के इम्पैक्ट के साथ खाई गई तो पूरा दिन आपका शुगर अनस्टेबल ही रहता है. Now it's time to rethink healthy. So if you're diabetic and your day starts with 2 innocent looking idlis, it's time to ask yourself, are you starting your day with a health boost or a silent sugar attack? Yes, idli is light on calories, but in terms of blood sugar impact, it's a heavyweight hitter. Smart breakfast choices are not just about avoiding fried food or junk. They're also about understanding what food does when it goes inside your body. Upma, even worse than idli. So now let's talk about another classical Indian breakfast, the one that looks even lighter than idli, which is upma. You might be thinking, Kirti, I get it about idli, but upma, that's even lighter. It's just सूजी, soft, fluffy, थोड़ा मसालेदार होता है, but really healthy होता है. Wrong. Let me explain with simple science, not like a scary jargon. What is upma made of? Upma is made of suji, also called as semolina. Now here's the thing. Suji is not a whole grain. It's a refined version of wheat where the outer fibrous layer, the bran, has been removed. That means you're not eating complex carbs or whole grain goodness. You're basically eating refined starch, which breaks down sugar super fast. In simpler words, you're basically eating refined starch, which breaks down super fast into sugar. In simpler words, suji is starch ka powder, full of empty calories and very little fiber. Nutritional breakdown of upma. Let's break down 100 grams of basic upma without chutney or anything fancy, which has 60 grams of carbs, mostly starch, 2 grams of fiber, and 11 grams of fat from oil or ghee, used at sauteing or probably frying. Minimal protein, not enough to slow down the digestion or stabilize your sugar. Now, let's zoom in on the problem areas. Carbs, very high. Fiber, extremely low. Fat doesn't help sugar control, only adds calories. So what's happening inside your body? जब आप उपमा खाते हो, starch directly breaks down into glucose and rushes into your bloodstream. And since there's almost no fiber to slow it down, this sugar enters fast and creates a rapid sugar spike. Why is this a hidden danger? Upma feels like a light breakfast. It's homemade, easy to digest, warm and comforting. But inside your body, it's triggering a silent glucose explosion. This kind of breakfast can raise your sugar by 100 to 150 points, and without even knowing, you will not even realize how fast it grows up. And फिर आप सोचते हो मैं तो सिर्फ घर का खाना खाया है, वो भी हल्का, तो शुगर क्यों इतना बढ़ रहा है? Because unfortunately, घर का खाना is not equal to always diabetic friendly. But isn't homemade food always healthy? Yes, homemade food is better than processed food. But when it comes to diabetes, you need just more than homemade. You need low glycemic index and high fiber foods, and upma falls on both these parameters. Even if you add veggies like carrot, bean and peas, it's a good step. But still the base is सूजी, and that's what causes the sugar rush. और जब sugar spike होती है हर सुबह सुबह, your energy goes up for 30 minutes and then it crashes. And when you crash, you crave something meetha, and then the cycle starts again. So upma is not healthy at all. Let's be honest. If your sugar is well controlled, you're physically active, or don't have any kind of major medical diseases, having upma once in a while, it's okay. But अगर आप डायबिटिक हो या प्री डायबिटिक हो या इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंट स्टेज पे हो या आप वेट लॉस के जोन में हो और वेट लॉस करने का आप फोकस कर रहे हो, then starting your day with a sugar spike meal like upma can quietly ruin all your efforts. You'll feel tired, hungry sooner, and stuck in an energy roller coaster all throughout the day. Light is not equal to right. So here's the big idea. Just because something looks light doesn't mean it's right, especially for diabetes. Upma and idli may look healthy, but for your internal sugar chemistry, they're really dangerous. Light lagne wala breakfast items like suji based upma can secretly spike your sugar, delay fat burning, and increase dependency on medication. So next time when someone says upma to healthy hai, ask yourself, healthy for whom? Segment 3, breakfast options that work. चलिए अब बात करते हैं सॉल्यूशंस की, क्योंकि अब तक हमने ये समझ लिया है कि इडली और उपमा जैसी लाइट चीजें भी आपका ब्लड शुगर हेवी स्पाइक कर देती हैं। अब सवाल ये है कि सुबह क्या खाएं जिससे आपका शुगर स्टेबल रहे। ऐसे क्या ऑप्शंस हैं जिसमें टेस्ट भी हो, शुगर स्पाइक ना हो और पेट भी अच्छे से भरे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं कुछ ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड ब्रेकफास्ट ऑप्शन से, जो मैं खुद अपने डायबिटीज रिवर्सल के प्रोग्राम में रेकमेंड करता हूँ। नंबर 1, एडमामे बीन्स, हाई ऑन प्रोटीन, लो कार्ब सुपरफूड। सबसे पहले नाम सुनते ही लोग सोचने लगते हैं ये एडमामे क्या होता है। जापानीज नाम लगता है, लेकिन ये कोई फैंसी इंपोर्टेड फूड नहीं है। ये सोयाबीन के यंग बीन्स होते हैं जो इंडिया में भी इजीली मिल जाते हैं, और हेल्थ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये एक प्रोटीन बॉम्ब है। सो लेट्स सी द न्यूट्रिशन चेक। 46 grams of protein per 100 gram, only 10 grams of net carb, high in fiber, around 14 to 15 grams in total. ये कॉम्बिनेशन डायबिटीज के लिए गोल्ड है। हाई प्रोटीन, लो कार्ब एंड फाइबर रिच, ये तीनों चीजें मिलके शुगर स्पाइक होने से रोकता है। अब इसको कैसे खाएं? एक सिंपल और टेस्टी सैलेड बना लीजिए। ग्रेटेड गाजर, खीरा, टमाटर, और 50 ग्राम्स बॉइल्ड एडमामे बीन्स, थोड़ा सा नमक, लेमन और चाहे तो थोड़ा ब्लैक पेपर भी ऐड कर सकते हैं। एक परफेक्ट बैलेंस ब्रेकफास्ट बन सकता है इन सारी चीजों से, जो कि लाइट भी है, शुगर स्पाइक प्रूफ भी है और आपको ओवरऑल स्टेबल भी रखेगा। ऑप्शन 2, अंडा भुर्जी और ऑमलेट। फॉर नॉन वेजिटेरियंस, अगर आप नॉन वेज हो तो आपके लिए सबसे सेफेस्ट और फिलिंग ऑप्शन है अंडा। लोग कहते हैं कि अंडा तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ाता है ना? तो सिंपल रूल समझते हैं इसके लिए। अगर आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल नॉर्मल है तो 2 होल एग्स आप ले सकते हो, कभी योग के साथ और कभी बिना योग के साथ। अगर कोलेस्ट्रॉल हाई है तो 3 से 4 एग व्हाइट्स एंड वेजीज यूज कर सकते हो। नाउ लेट्स डू अ न्यूट्रिशन चेक। 2 eggs is equal to approximately 1 gram of carb. In total, it gives 12 plus grams of protein. Healthy fats from yolk अगर आप ले रहे हो तो अंडा भुर्जी, बॉइल्ड एग्स, ये एक अच्छा तरीका है विद वेजीज, ताकि आपको अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन मिले। और इससे आप ऑमलेट या आप सिर्फ रॉ एग्स उसको बॉईल करके भी खा सकते हैं, जिसमें आप गोभी, शिमला मिर्च, प्याज, हरा धनिया और ग्रीन चिल्ली को ऐड कर सकते हैं। ये सब डाल के आप एक टेस्टी फाइबर रिच ऑमलेट बना सकते हो, जो पेट भी भरेगा और शुगर को स्टेबल भी रखेगा। और सबसे अच्छी बात, अगर शुगर स्पाइक नहीं करता, इवन इफ यू ईट डेली, योर रीडिंग will stay steady. Option 3, Medu Vada, the surprise entry. Now this might surprise you. You're probably thinking, Kirti, Medu Vada, isn't that deep fried? Yes, it is. But guess what? It might still be a better option than idli or upma, especially if you're a diabetic. Sounds odd, right? Let's break it down. Now, nutritional breakdown of one Medu Vada, which is approximately, let's say, 50 grams. Only 13 grams of carb, made from urad dal, not rice, naturally contains protein plus fat, good amount of fiber compared to idli or upma. So what does this mean? Let's go deeper. Why Medu Vada can be blood sugar friendly? The key reason why Medu Vada works better for diabetic lies in the ingredients and macronutrient balance. Now, Medu Vada is made from urad dal, which has complex carbs जो धीरे धीरे डाइजेस्ट होते हैं, नेचुरल प्लांट प्रोटीन, decent fat content, more fiber than suji or white rice based breakfast. And when you combine protein plus fat plus fiber, you get a magic formula that slows down your glucose absorption. So even though it's fried, the impact on your sugar levels is much lower than the foods that are steamed but made with refined starch like rice or suji. Idli may look innocent, but it's 100% starch. Upma may feel light, but it's refined flour in disguise. Medu Vada, on the other hand, gives you protein plus fat buffer, which eventually slows down the absorption of glucose in your body. But isn't fried food bad? Good question. Yes, fried food in excess is bad, but the real devil is not always fat. Problem आजकल के diabetic diets में fat नहीं होता है. Problem होता है excess refined carbs. Let's clarify. Deep frying in bad oil repeatedly is harmful. Totally agreed. But frying occasionally in good quality oil like filtered groundnut oil or ghee is still manageable. So if you're having one Medu Vada, not 4, it's made in clean oil, not in reused roadside oil, then it's far safer choice than 2 idlis or a bowl of upma, especially if you're a diabetic person. When to choose Medu Vada if you're traveling? Let's say you're staying at a hotel with limited options, or even with just having a normal South Indian breakfast when you're going out. Then instead of eating blindly idlis and other things, think about eating healthy and use Medu Vada as a smarter pick. Start pairing it with coconut chutney, which again brings healthy fat. No sambar, which means it will not have the excess hidden carbs if dal is overcooked or has jaggery in it. Or maybe a boiled egg or black coffee for better satiety. And of course, portion control is the key. एक वड़ा चल सकता है, 4 नहीं. Don't fear fat. Fear fake healthy foods. We've all been taught to fear fat in all our foods. But in diabetes, the bigger problem is not fat. It's all those foods that look healthy but behave like a sugar bomb when they go inside in your body, like idli or upma. Even fruit juices that appear healthy but act like liquid sugar once they go inside your body. Granola bars sold as fit food but packed with pure sugar syrups. The truth is, not all fats are your enemy, but refined carbs in disguise, definitely dangerous. Smarter swaps is equal to stable energy. So next time when you plan your breakfast, don't go by what looks healthy. Focus on what stabilizes sugar and keeps you full for longer. Medu Vada, despite being fried, offers a balanced start, especially when compared to low-fat and high-carb trap. Start your day with protein, fiber, and healthy fat, and you'll notice less cravings, more energy, and more stable blood sugar throughout the day. Segment 4. When you're traveling, how to stay sugar smart on the go. Let's talk about a very real situation today, one that most of us face multiple times a year. You've been doing well at home, morning routine sorted, breakfast under control, sugar levels stable, but suddenly you have an office trip or a wedding that is out of town, or even a quick family vacation. And then what happens? Hotel check-in ke saath next morning you walk into a massive buffet. And the moment you look at options, you start panicking. Here's what you see. White bread, butter toast, upma, idli, jam, fruit juice, pancakes, cornflakes, watermelon juice. Now, for a diabetic person, this is not a breakfast buffet. This is a sugar trap. अगर आप सोचते हो कि अब क्या करूं, फास्टिंग कर लूं क्या? Absolutely not. Skipping breakfast is not really a long-term solution. Once in a while, you can do it. The trick is to plan better and carrying just one small thing in your bag. Now meet your travel hero, Sattu. Yes, Sattu. This humble, underrated Desi superfood is literally the sugar-safe breakfast that you're missing. Why? Because it ticks all the boxes. It is quick to make, easy to carry, sugar spike nahi hota, fullness deta hai for 3 to 4 hours, fridge ki zarurat nahi, walk in hotels, trains, airports, you can have it anytime, anywhere. But make sure that you buy only the unsweetened, sugar-free Sattu powder. No chocolate, no mango, no sweetened variants. वो सब traps हैं. How to make your Sattu drink on the go? Super simple. 2 minutes. Ingredients: 2 table unsweetened sattu powder, 1 glass from room temperature water, pinch of black salt or pink salt, few drops of lemon juice, which is optional, stevia or monk fruit sugar sweetener, which is again optional, ice, which is again optional if you're in some kind of a hot weather. Now, how to prepare? Take a glass or bottle, add 2 tablespoons of sattu. You pour some water as per your season. If it is warm, make it warm in winters. If it is hot, then you can make it chilly in summers. Add salt plus optional sweetener plus lemon. Stir it well or shake if you're using a bottle. Drink it fresh, preferably within 10 to 15 minutes of making it. बस हो गया. आपका blood sugar friendly, high fiber, protein packed breakfast ready है. बिना kitchen, बिना fridge या बिना किसी फालतू ड्रामा के. Sattu. Why it works for diabetics? Let's get into the science of it. Sattu is made from roasted Bengal gram, which is also known as chana, which is a low glycemic index item. Now, high in complex carbs, which means it is slow digesting, rich in fiber, has natural plant-based protein in it, keeps insulin levels stable, and most importantly, gives satiety without spiking sugar. So even if you're stuck in a hotel with sugary options and all the buffet things that you see, Sattu helps you bypass this buffet and still makes you feel full and energized. Sattu plus fruit is equal to balanced travel combination. Do you want to take it up a notch? Carry an apple or half guava with you. Pairing sattu with fruit gives you fiber, natural micronutrients, vitamins plus antioxidants, taste plus texture balance. और टेंशन मत लो, एक एप्पल या हाफ guava, especially with sattu, won't spike your sugar because fiber and protein slow down fruit sugar absorption. Extra smart travel tips. Planning is everything. बस 2 minute का काम है. Pack a small Ziploc pouch of sattu in your travel bag. Always carry a reusable bottle or shaker. Ask hotel staff for warm water, usually available at any buffet or room kind of a service. Carry a spoon or use your coffee stirrer. You want crunch? Carry roasted chana or makhana for snacking. Bored of same taste? Try a sattu buttermilk with jeera, dhania and black salt. Trust me, ये छोटी planning आपको पूरा दिन sugar wise sorted कर देती है. Plan ahead, save your sugar. Let's be honest, in diabetes, most sugar spikes don't happen because of bad food. They happen because of poor planning. आप कहीं भी हो, ट्रेन में, होटल में या even conference room या किसी बस में भी. If you're prepared, you can win. The biggest trap is saying, जो मिलेगा वही खा लेंगे. This mindset is the real problem in controlling your diabetes and reversing it from the root cause level. So बस एक पाउच सत्तू का पैक कर लीजिए, एक फ्रूट रेडी रख लीजिए और स्मॉल वाटर बॉटल ताकि आप कहीं भी जाके इसको बना लीजिए. You've got yourself covered with a full, satisfying, sugar-proof breakfast without giving up on taste or any kind of convenience or bad feeling of guilt. And the best part, you won't even feel like you're eating diet food. And this is not some foreign protein shake या box cereal. ये देसी है, rooted in real kind of nutrition. So जो आपके blood sugar को respect करता है, और आपकी शुगर की रूटीन के साथ मैच भी करता है. Here's the real truth. You don't need to starve. You don't have to eat boiled food for life and punish yourself. And no, you don't need to stay on low carb diets forever. लेकिन एक चीज जरूरी है. Stop blindly trusting labels like diet, light or healthy. Just because something looks right doesn't mean it's safe for your blood sugar. Many of these so-called healthy foods are actually hidden sugar bombs. What you really need is awareness. Understand which foods spike your sugar and which ones actually support stable sugar levels. That's the real secret to reversing your diabetes. Not punishment, but simple smarter food choices. आप योगा कर रहे हो, करेला जूस भी पी रहे हो और बॉइल्ड सब्जियां भी खा रहे हो, फिर भी शुगर हाई है, तो प्रॉब्लम आपकी डेडिकेशन में नहीं है, आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी में है. You don't need to work harder. You need to work smarter. Switch to the right system and let your body heal on your own. So if you're currently dealing with diabetes and looking for simplest, safest, and the most natural option to reversing it without relying on medicines, metformin, insulin, or harsh military-style diets, our personalized one-on-one diabetes reversal mentorship might be what you exactly need. In this exclusive mentorship, you'll get to work directly with me and my team. You'll get close, tailored guidance where we'll address not only your blood sugar levels, but the root cause behind them. We'll rebuild your health in a way that starts from scratch and from the root cause level that feels natural, easy, relaxed, and actually fits in your lifestyle. No unrealistic gym routines, no boiled Karela diets, just practical, simple, desi solutions backed by science and designed for real people with real lives. Because this is deeply personal work, we only take 10 to 12 people every month. To be eligible, you must qualify 2 criteria. Number 1, you're serious about committing to reversing your diabetes. Number 2, you have a winner mindset and you're proactive about fixing things in your life and you're not a victim mindset. If this sounds like you, click on the link in the description section and click a free consultation with my team. We'll assess your case and see, and if you're a good fit, we'll be excited to help you in reclaiming your health and finally experience the real natural diabetes reversal of how it should be. See you on the other side.